Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 163. And if we start with this box, we're just missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 5, 2 here, so 5, 9, 5 here, so 2, 9. For this top row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 9, 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column now, we're just missing a 5. For this column, we're missing a 9. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 6, 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 7, 3. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. And that 9 makes this our 1, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this column, we're missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got the 1 here, so 2, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.